Fear against those who prey on the fearful.
Someone like you is only here by choice. You have been exploring the criminal fraternity, but whatever your original intentions, you have become truly lost.
On what path can I move offer?
The path of a man who shares his hatred of evil and wishes to serve true justice.
If you are bored of brawling with petty thieves and want to achieve something,
If you devote yourself to an ideal, and if they can't stop you, then you become something else entirely.
Which is?
Legend. You may find what you were looking for in the first place.
And what was I looking for?
Only you can know that.
to manipulate the fears in others, you must first master your own. Are you ready to begin?
Quiet out here. Peaceful. No noise except my own. No noise except my own. Except my own. No noise except my own. Control your noise. Control your noise, Todd. I am Todd Hewitt. I am Todd Hewitt. I am Todd Hewitt. Think of something else. Think of something different. Think of birds.
You are. And you are afraid. But not of me. Tell us, what do you fear?
What you really fear is inside yourself. You fear your own power. You fear your anger, the drive to do great, terrible things.
The hell are you supposed to be?
I'm vengeance.
Whoa! This guy's crazy!
Now, you must journey inwards. You are ready. Breathe.
Whoa! Stop! Don't come any closer. Girl. Girl. It's a girl. Girl. Oh my God. Where are you from? You're a girl. No noise. You from Earthy? Girl! Dave! Shut up, Todd. Sorry. I'm sorry. I've just never seen a girl before. Pretty. Are you from Earth? You're really pretty. Yellow hair. Found her. I found her! I found her! Wait! Shit. Stupid noise.
Breathe. Breathe in your fears. To conquer fear, you must become fear. You must bask in the fear of other men. And men fear most what they cannot see.
You have to become a terrible thought. A wraith.
That must be overwhelming.
It's loud.
We call it the noise. Happened to all the men when we landed on this planet. Every thought in our heads on display. It's fairly harmless, though. Some of us can control it better than others.
Can control it. One of us. Oh my God. Girl! Be a man. Be a man. Be strong. No noise. Girl. No noise. Girl. What are you doing here? Why are you here? Yellow hair. Can't be here. Scared. She's scared. Don't be scared. Thief. Should I turn around? I'm coming, Pa! Hey, help her. You gotta stay here. They're all looking for you.
Have to become an idea!
cloud your senses. Feel its power to distort, to control. And know that this power can be yours.
Girl's in trouble. Like, what am I doing? This is a mistake. What have I done? What have I done?
Should I turn her in? No.
Very good, son.
No, mistake. Huge mistake. Shut up, Todd. Shut up, Todd. Shut up. I'm not gonna do that. I promise you I'm not gonna do that, okay? Just, look, there's this place. I can take you there, and you'll be safe, okay?
Far branch. Far branch.
What's that?
It's a map. What does it look like?
Do you have a copy of the map or the...
No, I don't have a copy of the map, okay? It comes with me. Keep her safe.
Embrace your worst fear. Become one with the darkness. Focus. Concentrate. Master your senses.
I believe whatever doesn't kill you simply makes you stranger. I'm an agent of chaos. Oh, and you know the thing about chaos? It's fear. You live. You die. Now we're talking. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are tonight's entertainment.
You fight like a younger man. There's nothing held back. It's admirable, but mistaken.
Should I bring this on her? I was meant to inspire good, not madness, not death.
You have inspired good, but you spat in the faces of Gotham's criminals. Didn't you think there might be some casualties? Things were always going to get worse before they got better.
But Rachel, Alfred?
Rachel believed in what you stood for. What we stand for. Gotham needs you.
No, Gotham needs its true hero. And I let that murdering psychopath blow him half to hell.
Which is why, for now, they're going to have to make do with you. What about when you come up against him? What then?
I'll fight harder, I always have.
Take a look. His speed, his ferocity, his training. I see the power of belief. I see the League of Shadows resurgent.
Oh, you think darkness is your ally? You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light until I was already a man. By then it was nothing to me but blinding. The shadows betray you because they belong to me. I will show you where I have made my home whilst preparing to bring justice. Then I will break you.
people of Gotham, their city doesn't belong to the criminals and the corrupt.
People need dramatic examples to shake them out of apathy, and I can't do that as Bruce Wayne.
So you came back to die with your city?
I came back to stop you. As a man, I'm flesh and blood. I can be ignored, I can be destroyed, but as a symbol, I can be incorruptible. I can be everlasting.
What symbol?
Something elemental, something terrifying.